2025 Nissan Altima. With less than 29,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as lane departure warning, satellite radio, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, wood grain trim, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.